The right way to upload YouTube Shorts in 2025. Firstly, let's talk about the video format. You can either create your video on TikTok and put it as the same format, or you can select a ratio of 9:16. Let me show you a video that's in the ratio 9:16. As you can see, this video takes up the full screen. This way the visibility of the video will be full screen. Also, the time limit of shorts in YouTube is 3 minutes. As you can see at the top right corner, the time limit is from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Now at the end of the day, content is everything. Make sure that your video has a good retention and the first 3 to 4 seconds is a hook. You can either upload your videos from YouTube or YouTube Studio. Click on the plus icon at the bottom. Make sure that short section is selected and click on your gallery icon. Select the video and now you can trim the video. Make sure that you do all the editing in an editing software before uploading the video. Once the processing is done, you will land to this kind of interface. Click on the tick icon and now you can add text, voiceover or anything that you like. In this next step, go to your title, write your caption and don't forget hashtags. Hashtag defines what your video is about. So make sure that you put relevant hashtag to your videos. There's also a feature called related video. Click on that option to select your long form video as reference. Now click on the pencil icon at the top left corner. You can also set the cover of your video. That's all for today. Thank you.